Dear Dr. Brown, I wish to make application for the position of secretary, details of which appear in today's tribune full stop. I am 21 years of age full stop. I received a good business education and obtained an honors diploma in stenography full stop. For the past 2 years I have acted as secretary to Dr. Brewster, who is, I think, known to you full stop. During this time I have carried out the usual office duties, and in addition I have taken the doctor special dictation full stop. I know that my employer is satisfied with my services full stop. I should like, however, to secure a position in my own town full stop. Dr. Brewster has kindly given my permission to refer you to him for any information regarding my ability full stop. If you wish me to tell you anything more to assist you in making a decision, I shall be glad to do so full stop. Yours truly enclosed.